real. You know, of all the planets out there, my neighbor Venus is actually the most
Similar to me.
same size, same mass, same rocky surface.
A twin sister. How sweet. And right now, darling, I might be erupting.
Erupting? Nobody can even see your surface.
Oh, Earth. The fact that you cannot see me doing something does not mean I am not doing it. Ask your moon about that one. Scientists mapped my surface and counted 8 to 5,000 volcanoes. That is a confirmed minimum. And Earth? You have around 1,300.
1,300 feels like a lot less now. That feels embarrassing now.
Behold Magellan's, a staggering 8 kilometers tall, making your average Earth mountain look, well, absolutely tiny.
Okay, so you have a lot of volcanoes. That does not prove they are active right now.
In 1991, Magellan's erupted. Scientists confirmed it in 2023. The evidence was hiding in 30-year-old data the whole time, just waiting for someone to look properly. Then, NASA's Magellan spacecraft spent 2 years orbiting me, mapping 98% of my surface using radar. It could see through my clouds. Nobody could, but Magellan could.
Okay, that is actually kind of cool.
A volcanic vent near Mont Mons went from 2.2 square kilometers to 4 square kilometers in just 8 months. The walls got shorter. The inside filled up dark. Scientists believe this could be a lava lake forming inside the vent, though they cannot say for certain whether it was still liquid or had already cooled.
Hold on. You just said the data is from the 1990s. That is 30 years ago. You are using photos older than most of my teenagers as proof you are exploding right now?
And they only found 3 eruptions because they only just started looking.
Imagine what they have been missing. Oh, no!
In 2024, scientists went back into that same old data and found 2 more eruptions nobody noticed. Nipmon's, Niobe Planitia, both quietly erupting while the spacecraft was literally flying right over them.
They missed 2 whole eruptions.
30 years, yes. Just those 2 eruptions alone could fill 92,000 Olympic swimming pools with lava.
Want to go for a swim? I want to go home.
Actually, a vent can change shape without any eruption. Maybe the ground just cracked a little. Maybe it was just a bad day. This proves nothing.
Mars, sweetheart, the vent did not just crack, it filled up to the brim with dark material. That is not a bad day. That is lava.
I knew that.
You want to talk about volcanoes, Mars? Your biggest one has been napping since before humans existed. At least mine are doing something.
It is resting. It will come back.
Sure it will.
But you do not even have plate tectonics. How are you still doing any of this?
No moving plates means the heat inside me has nowhere easy to go, so it just builds and builds until it finds a crack. And then, pop.
Pop?
8 to 5 dozen pops, technically.
Wait, she has been exploding this whole time and nobody told me? I orbit right next door. I could have been hit by a lava chunk.
Mercury, you live next to the sun.
That is a completely different problem.
Venus? Why does your atmosphere smell like rotten eggs?
That is sulfur dioxide. Volcanoes make it. Scientists kept noticing spikes of it in my atmosphere and thinking, something down there is still erupting.
They were right. So your volcanoes are announcing themselves through the smell.
My volcanoes have presence.
Your clouds are sulfuric acid and it is raining on your surface right now. Oh.
My surface is so hot it burns the rain away on the way down.
That is supposed to be reassuring.
I thought it was a nice detail. Here is the fun part. Everything I just showed you, 3 confirmed eruptions, came from 30-year-old grainy radar images. That is the best data anyone has of my surface.
So right now, while we are standing here...
Could be erupting.
Probably am. Nobody knows.
I need to sit down. Okay, so Venus has a lot of volcanoes. Some of them maybe went off recently. Our atmosphere smells bad, and the rain is technically acid, but it does not land.
And yeah, that is manageable, right? 85,000 volcanoes, 3 confirmed eruptions found in old data. Likely far more happening right now. Is surface hot enough to melt lead?
Yeah, okay, I need to rethink our whole twin sister thing. Space explorers, hit that like button, subscribe for cosmic fun, and don't miss our next journey. Keep looking up.